Hi, my name is Margaret Dunkelberger, and this is my research comparing tree ring to climate records. My main research question was, does tree growth demonstrate any patterns relative to the changing climate? A little bit of background about this. This is a continuation of research completed by Allen in Cornell and Joyce in Cornell of maritime forests and their ghosting rates. The study adds 23 new cores from Assateague Island to the regional dataset. There are a lot of possible reasons for a tree's health to be on decline in a maritime forest. These are not limited to, but including beetle infestation, climate such as storm surge or flooding of an area, illness, and the topography of a given region of that tree. My study area was on Assateague Island. We chose two sites, the Wildlife Loop and Old Town site. Again, we collected 23 samples, 11 from the Old Town site above left, and 12 from the Wildlife Loop below right. We have some imagery from Google Earth to look at here. This is from 1994. We have 2006, 10, 12, and 15. Notice the decrease in greenery among the photos, especially between 10 and 12 when Hurricane Sandy affected the area. Here we have the Wildlife Loop, again, imagery from 1994. 2007, 11, 13, and 16. Again, the decrease in greenery due to Hurricane Sandy from 11 to 13. Out in the field, we were using a standard increment bore to collect tree core samples. We were then placing those samples in a straw and collecting the location via Trimble. Once we brought those samples back to the lab, they were glued to a ruler, sanded and smoothed, and then uploaded to our computers to use a software called ImageJ. Here we measured the tree core growth rings and compared them to the weather data that we had already collected. Our results show an increase in temperature, an increase in precipitation total per year, an increase in the precipitation average per year, increase in sea level. However, while all these are promoting tree health, a sample shows that tree health is in decline. This was a common thread between all of the tree core samples. However, we are still working to condense the best model to represent our data, and the total growth for both sites have negative slopes. The Old Town trees were still living while the Wildlife Loop trees were dead. Over the years, there was various periods of good growth and bad growth. Here we see the growths compared between the sites. As you can see, the Wildlife Loop has slightly less growth in comparison with Old Town, and this is due to the exposure of the coast. Thank you to everybody who helped me. A special thanks to Shippensburg University Foundation for providing me with an undergraduate research funding. Thank you.